अभी के अभी रिक्शा वाले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए and make sure to put on the notification bell to be the first person to watch my videos.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer for this? It was unbelievably painful.
Anisha, why are you dancing? You should be studying for your exams. Also, your dancing is bad. I will give you 0 marks in dance. Hi, Daya. Welcome, Namaste, Swagatam and Salam to a new episode of Anisha Talks, and today we're going to talk about girls' hostels. So we all have heard about them, and they're usually stories floating around which we usually would not believe. But have you ever considered what actually happens in girls' hostels? Well, pick or not, I am here to tell you all about the types of girls in a hostel. So let's get shuru. Number 1, the smart lover. I know, you all are here specially for this one, right? But no, such things barely happen in a hostel. But there's always this one girl who's always a bit more ambitious than the others. As we all know, most hostels have a deadline by the time you need to return. And usually it's from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. And most of the girls even comply to the deadline. But then there's this one girl who just gets better at never being caught. Anisha?
Yes, ma'am?
Where were you so late at night?
I was here only, ma'am.
I checked the room half an hour ago. You were not here.
I was in the bathroom.
Okay, so next time keep your bathroom door also open,
Huh?
Number 2, the booker. You think guys are shameless? Think again. When we girls are with other girls, we can get as nasty as guys, and yet we're not afraid in attacking the food. Hey, are you going to finish that sandwich? It looks so sad on that plate. Hey, when you return from tuition, please bring me some vada pav and bhaji pav with extra chutney and gunpowder, I think your mom is a great cook. How do you know? Nothing. I just wanted to say it. Wait, so we ate all the food from the fridge? I'm sorry. मैं तेरा खून पी जाऊंगी. Number 3, the topper. I think this one is pretty clear. Since there is no boyfriend and no other family drama in the girl's life, she has no other option but to crack all the exams. This type of girl will finish all her homework and will finish all her assignments on time and will make her family proud. Students from various classes will come and collect her notes and will most probably talk to her a day before the exam. And sadly, the only time they will remember her. Can I borrow your assignment? Okay, who are you? Hey friend, I'm Sakshi na. Can I borrow your notes? Why do you keep calling me friend? Cause I'm polite. You don't know my name, right? Is it Kamala? Nah. Priya? No. Janki? Say my name. Heisenberg? You're goddamn right. Hi Daya. Number 4, the fashion. In every hostel, there is at least one girl who will spend more money on clothes than anybody else. Her main purpose in life is to be complimented for her clothes. One day she will dress like an air hostess, the other day she will come in a sari or a salwar kameez. And she will kill it every single time. And she's probably a big fan of Sonam Kapoor. What is this smell? This is a very irresistible smell from Givenchy, which I got from the mall. It smells like shit. Oh, stop being Sonam Kapoor and start being Sonam Bai. Hi Daya. Number 5, the boss. Now, any place that has more than 5 humans needs a leader. Otherwise, a lot of fighting will happen and everybody will die. And to avoid this, one girl must rise above to boss them around. Like a boss. Priya, it has come to my attention that you have been hogging on all the aam ka achar. You're pregnant or what? Shamishta, you need to keep your room clean. I also heard you inviting rats and having a party with them. This needs to stop. This is a hostel and not a gutter, understand? Husna, you need to sleep early. I know you like to study, but you also need to think of your room partner and her sleep. Otherwise, buy a study lamp and new headphones. Oi Rekha, you think I don't know that you're missing the deadline every night? Who do you think is covering for you, huh? Also, say hi to Varun. Tell him I miss him, You know Varun? I know Varun more than you do. Hi Daya. And number 6, the 24-hour party girl. Do you know what happens when a lot of girls meet at one place? There is a party bound to happen. There is a thin line which divides that, and certain visionaries are required to make this happen. This type of girl I would like to call the party girl, because she will take every single opportunity to turn it into a party and will create so much fun for everybody. Her party powers are so strong that even the warden will approve of any idea this girl has. Excuse me? What do you want, Anisha? Tomorrow's Rekha's birthday. So, we were planning to celebrate in the dining hall. And, we want to invite boys. No! Varun will be coming too. Really? Okay, approve. Yes! So this was it, Ricksters. Let me know in the comment section below if you know of any other types of girls in a hostel. In the meanwhile, I'm sending you all a big love punch your way. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, smash that like button right now. And in case you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel by clicking right here. Because I make videos every Tuesday and Friday and you don't want to miss out. और अगर तुम सब करोगे, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. And you will never have to miss your mom's cooking ever again. So, subscribe!